David Schechter has been following developments in several school districts today, but David, this is obviously the biggest.
This is the big one, and I just want to let everybody know, like, this is complicated. There's a lot of things changing, and we're just kind of figuring this stuff out as you are at the same time. We're going to go through what's happening in several districts. We're going to start, of course, with that Fort Worth ruling. So this all started when Fort Worth announced this week that it would require masks in defiance of an order by a judge. A group of parents sued, and in the last few hours, a judge ruled in favor of those parents. The ruling says the Fort Worth ISD mandate is illegal under the governor's order, and they cannot deny any students or parents access to school facilities because they are not wearing a mask. A statement from the school district says, "We will certainly honor today's court order, but the district strongly recommends that everybody wear a mask." Now let's get over to Arlington, where the school district is also considering filing legal action against Governor Greg Abbott over this order.
But the important point today is to try to clarify who has the authority to implement protocols beyond a mask, just protocols in general, that we want to have clarification of the control that our district has to put those things in place when we see that it's appropriate.
So for right now, there is no mask mandate in Arlington while they work on getting more legal clarification on that issue. The district also announced it's considering virtual options for students in kindergarten through 6th grade. Nothing has been approved yet, but they'll talk this through at their board meeting next Thursday. We learned today that Northwest ISD has approved a plan to offer virtual learning this year. It will be for students in kindergarten through 6th grade. For the first 9 weeks of school, the district is in the process of sending information out to parents about how to sign up, but it's happening really fast. In school in Northwest ISD starts in just 5 days. The district will not require masks, and they are highly recommending, though, that everybody wear them. The city of Denton has joined a growing list of municipalities in the state requiring masks inside public places, but the mayor, who voted against it, says the city will not enforce it. Denton Public Schools said they will not be enforcing that mask requirement either. So Chris, there's clearly a lot happening, like so much happening by the minute, really. Everything's changing, and we know that families are really struggling with this information. Just reading right now, it's changing so fast, you can't really stay on top of it.
It feels a lot like where we were this time last year. All the districts coming up with their own plans, the information changing right up until the last minute, and parents sort of figuring it out. Parents and teachers.
Yeah, it's not what anybody was hoping for, and it didn't feel like we were heading into this, but here we are.